Hi, I'm Stephanie Smith, and we are at Fontana Pharmacy Waterloo, where it's all good inside. I'm currently standing in the car park with 150 spaces, so you'll have comfortable parking, and we have security all throughout the parking lot. So come on inside for a raw uncut tour with Jamaica Walk By.
Wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer. I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer. I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it?
Fontana Pharmacy Waterloo is our newest store, 6 locations. So come on into our beauty department. This is the first section that you'll enter when you come to this store, and we are fully stocked with cosmetics, skincare, perfumes, and all that you can think of beauty related. And to top it off, we also have professional And to top it off, we also have our beauty consultants available. So if you are new to makeup, you're new to a beauty line, don't worry about it. You can get all the information you need, and we also offer beauty services as well. So you can get your lashes put on, you can get your makeup done full glam, whether it's for wedding, graduation, you name it, we can do it for you. We have all the big brands. So we have L'Oreal, we have Revlon, Black Opal, Iman, Black Radiance, Wet n Wild, Maybelline, Milani, CoverGirl, LA Girls. We have Carla. We have Dermablend as well, which is our top of the line foundation brand. And we also have tons and tons of makeup tools. And we do as well some fashion jewelry, so you can come in and get your earrings and necklaces, rings. We have gift boxes available in the beauty department as well. Everything that you can think of, we have it here. Exiting from the beauty department section, you go straight into skincare. So along this aisle, you have all the top brands in skincare, and we also have Jamaican brands available in skincare as well. To your right, you have all the body sprays. So you have the lotions, the body sprays, everything to make you smell good. And we also have perfumes, top of the line perfumes, going straight down. So it's everything that you'd want for yourself or for a gift for a friend or loved one. As I had mentioned earlier, Fontana has 6 locations. So each store has their own beauty department, and we have beauty consultants available. So even if you're not able to visit us at the Waterloo location, you can get the same service at any of our locations island-wide. Now as we move down, we come to our business center. We have a post office situated at our Waterloo location and a Tara drop-off center as well. So other than your printing and your faxing and all of the other printing services that we offer, we have something that is very new and very exciting, which is our engraving section. So here at Fontana Pharmacy, you can get your bottles engraved, your journals, almost anything that you can think of, we can engrave it. So just come in, you can choose from our wide selection of items, and then you can have it engraved for as low as $500 plus tax. Our stationery department has everything that you need for school and playtime. We have all the pencil crayons, the pencil boxes, book wraps. We have journals available. Journals are a big seller at Fontana Pharmacy. We are known for having the widest range of journals. So if you are a writer, if you are someone who just loves to make notes about everything and everything, this is the place to get your journal. We have journals for the young girls as well, so we can start them off from early, just writing and reading as well. So as I said, we have everything that you'd need, stationery wise, envelopes, glue, rulers, scissors, Play-Doh, you name it, we have it. Fontana is known to be a little craft center. So if you can't, if you are interested in doing anything, whether it's sewing, baking, painting, we have everything here. Now this is our dispensary section of the pharmacy, and Fontana is known to have the best quality service, especially when it comes to our dispensary section. We love our customers and our customers love us. We strive to give the best service to each and every one of our customers. So if you are unable to come to our dispensary, what is great is that we offer delivery services. So if you need to, you can contact the store to get the number, or you can visit us on our website and get the contact number to send in your prescription. You can speak with the pharmacist and have the item delivered to you right to your door. Another great feature that you may see at our stores if you come to a location is that we have a large pink heart near the dispensary section, and this is for our customers who may have been touched by cancer in any way. Maybe it's a friend or family member, or maybe it's themselves, and you can leave an uplifting message for anyone that comes into this section so they can read. If you have lost anyone to cancer as well, you can leave a message for them. Moving from the dispensary area, we have our over-the-counter medications here, so you can pick up what you need right off the shelf. And we also have a few personal care items in this section as well. If you're into fitness, then this is a section that you'll get your fitness equipment. We also have another section upstairs, so you can look out for that. But we sell yoga mats, those are top sellers. We have skipping ropes, and if you have been injured or you need additional support for any of your joints, we have those items available as well. Fontana Pharmacy sells everything. So yes, we're a pharmacy, but we also have grocery items. So if you need a drink, or if you need to pick up a bottle of wine for a gift for a friend, or maybe just for yourself, we have that available as well. So you can come in and pick up your medication, you can pick up a bottle of wine, you can pick up a few diapers, everything you can think of, we have it here. And if you can't make it in store, you can visit us online as well, make your order there, and we can arrange to have it delivered to you. Fontana is a place to get anything you need for seasonal purposes. So whether it's Valentine's Day, Christmas, and we have Mother's and Teachers Day coming up, and if you look, you'll see us setting up for those. So once we get there, you'll see the gift items that we have available for Mother's Day and Teachers Day. For birthdays, weddings, we have it all. And right across from our seasonal area, we have our cards. So you can pick up a card, wrapping paper, or gift baskets or bags. Anything you need, we have it here. And when I say we have it all, I mean we have it all. So if you need the tools as well, you can come and get the tools you need. And we also have pet supplies as well. So here you'll find your tape measure, your hammers, we have extension cords, we have tie straps, we have flashlights. Anything you need, we have it. And as mentioned before, we have our gift boxes and gift bags. We have all different shapes, sizes, colors. We have it all available for you to pick up, easy and convenient. Well, after you have picked up the items that you need, you head over to our cashier section. So you'll enter through here and wait until it's your time and you can make your purchase here. Cashier area is full of convenience items as well. So if you need some sweets, if you need your nuts, if you need a key ring, chocolate, coffee, you name it, it's here. We also have stationery and other convenience items behind the cashier for easy viewing. You can just let the cashier know what you need and you can have it. Okay, so now for the part of the store that nowhere else in Jamaica can boast about, and it's our escalator. So this is our escalator. It is the only one in Jamaica in a retail facility. So come, let's go upstairs. We're going to view the homeware department as well as the toy section. Fontana Pharmacy has many stores within our store. So when you come upstairs to our houseware department, you'll find that we have Imperial Optical. And alongside Imperial Optical, we have Technocrat. So join us inside Imperial Optical. So here is a beautiful and well laid out Imperial Optical. If you need any glasses services, if you need your eyes tested, you can come right here at Fontana Pharmacy and get everything done while you're doing your shopping, whether it's for groceries, for toys, or gifts. Anything that you need, we have it here. As I had mentioned before, along with Imperial Optical, we also have Technocrat, where you can get all your technology needs. We have earphones, speakers, headphones, TVs, tablets, phones. We have laptop bags, the earphones, wireless mouse, anything you can think of, it's here. And on top of that, you can get your personalized service. Someone is always here to assist you with any questions that you have about what is in this section. Technocrat also has smart products, so you'll see that they have the next brand, which has a Wi-Fi pet feeder. They also have Wi-Fi home security options available. So when you come in, you can speak with the person here. They will give you all the details that you need. Now for what Fontana is known for, our home decor. We have the widest selection of home decor you can think of. So starting here, we have throw pillows, we have other accent pieces. They're so beautiful, so unique. You won't find them anywhere else but at Fontana Pharmacy. Any color you desire, any style, I'm sure you can find it here at Fontana Pharmacy. If you're unsure of what you want to get but you have a color in mind, we also have persons here who can assist you in making the right selection for your space. There is no reason to have a bare wall in your house. We have frames, and more frames. We have all the items you need for bedroom walls, bathroom walls, kitchen walls, living room walls. We have it. If you don't have the space to hang your painting, your pictures, we have easels available as well. So you can come in and purchase your easel and put up that nice picture or painting that you have. Fontana also offers bridal registries. So if you're getting married, you can come here, set up your registry, and we will hold the items. Your guests can come in and pick up the items that they are choosing for your gift at Fontana Pharmacy. Next, this is our serveware section. So we have boxes and boxes available of plates, glasses, cups, silverware, everything. If you don't need a whole box, we sell them individually as well, so you can pick up what you need. You hear that excitement? That is something that you'll always hear at Fontana when you find that exact thing you're looking for. We always have what you need. As I said, no matter what color it is, we're gonna have it available for you. So we have curtains available in all the colors of the rainbow. You're not a rainbow person, we have it available in the neutral colors as well. Any bathroom color, any bathroom style, we have towels available for you in various sizes, and washcloths. We have our shower curtains and other bathroom accessories available. For your bedroom, we have our comforter and sheet sets, very high quality, and available here at Fontana Pharmacy at any of our 6 locations or online at fontanapharmacy.com. We also sell blow-up beds, so that is an option as well. If you have a guest coming over, we have blow-up beds available. We have a wide array of comforters. Here we also have mats available. So whether it's the bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom, we have it available. Living room rugs, we have them available as well. We have throw pillows available, bedroom pillows available. We have them in memory foam. We have them in memory foam as well. So no matter what your need is, we have it. Storage, storage, storage. We have all the storage items you would need. We have drawers. We have plastic baskets. We have containers with covers, heavy duty containers. You also can get your waste baskets for any section of your house. We have them available. This is our bathroom section, so you'll find our laundry baskets or mat sets for the bathroom, all different styles, all different colors. We have our shower curtain liners, and all the bathroom accessories available. Alright, so I want to take you to our cookware section. So we have all the small appliances you would ever need right here at Fontana. And one of the top sellers now are the air fryers. So come and get one before they're finished. These air fryers are hot sellers now, especially for persons who want to live healthy but still want to enjoy crispy and crunchy food. This is the item for you. We also have cuisine art pot sets. We have rice cookers, toasters, blenders, popcorn makers. We have storage containers for your cereal, your pasta, your rice, your flour, your sugar. We have it all here, laid out nicely, waiting for you to stop by. Look at all these frying pans, all different sizes, all different types. You might even get confused, but don't worry, someone will be here to assist you to pick the right pot just for your needs. Fontana Pharmacy is known for our selection of bottles as well. We have stainless steel bottles, we have LED bottles that can tell you the temperature of the liquid inside. We have corksicles, which are really popular in all different sizes, all different shapes. We have manna bottles as well available. So if you need something more rugged to take to work, something for your husband, for your brother, your significant other, we have it available here. If you're going on a picnic, on a trip, you want to carry a little wine, we have everything available. If you are not looking for a stainless steel bottle, but maybe you're looking for something that is plastic, we also have plastic bottles available to take your water. So if you're a person that likes your water room temperature, you can get a plastic bottle here. So many different types. I love this one. This is nice. And for the section that the kids love the most, the toys, the toys, the toys. We have so many toys here at Fontana Pharmacy. It is what we are known for as well. So starting from this section, we have what you need for the babies. So for the babies and the infants, we have all the toys you need. We have as well car seats, sodas, we have bottle sets, we have clothing as well for children. I have a son, and I know once he comes to work with me, he's gonna want to come to the toy section and get something. What I try to do as well is to categorize the toy section. So we have a section for boys, we have a section for girls, we have a section for board games. Now, if you're a mom and you're shopping, the place is big, you may get a little tired, maybe you need to breastfeed. You can come, sit, relax a little bit, and just breastfeed. You can, give your child a little attention. If they're a bit fussy or anything, you need to calm them down. You can just have a seat here with the family, take a breather, and then you can get back to shopping when you need to. So as I said, we have many toys here. This is our boys section, and we have a section here as well for all the board games for the family. So all the top games, the Monopoly, the Jenga, the Connect 4, the Twister, Battleship, we have all of that, chess, checkers, everything. And we may have a few games that you have never seen before, but come on and shop, see what you want for your family. I know a lot of us are inside now, so we need more things to entertain the children at home. This is the best place to come. And this is our Lego section. All ages, all sizes, we have it for you. We have a few Hot Wheels toys in this section as well. So come in with the kids, come in with the family, and get what you need. Now this aisle is for the girls. So we're trying to make it simple. We know sometimes, I remember before I had my son and I had to come in and shop for toys, I felt a little bit clueless. But it is organized in terms of age and gender. So if you're coming to shop for a niece or a nephew or a friend, we make it a little easier for you, so you can find the toy easily here. All the dolls and the tiaras and the jewelry, it's right here. The teacup set, we have it all. Alright, so we have party section as well. Before we get to the other section, we have the party section. So if you need your loot bag favors, we have them here. You can just pick up what you need. We have stuff for boys, stuff for girls. We have unisex items as well. So if you're not sure how many kids will be at the party or what's the sex of the kids that will be at the party, you can just pick up a few of the unisex items. We have party hats, party plates, we have the balloons, and guess what? We do helium as well. So you can pick up a balloon and have it filled with helium, ready for your party. We do the number balloons as well. We have the paper lanterns. We sell piñatas as well. You can get your tablecloth, your banners, your candles, your streamers. We also have our remote control section. So this is a hit with the kids, boys and girls. You can get the remote control car or a truck or a monster truck. We have all that you need here. We also sell drones as well. So we have all of that available. Fontana is a house of toys. Now we have another store within a store here at Fontana. Welcome to Candy Craze. So after all that shopping, need a little refreshment with the family. You can get candy, you can get ice cream. You can get candy and ice cream available here. And you can come in on one of their special days, get a milkshake. Get a milkshake on their milkshake Mondays, 25% off. They also have dairy-free ice cream for those who can't have dairy. Tons and tons of treats.
Guys, welcome to Candy Craze, where all things are sweet, right? We serve both candy and ice cream here for the most part. We have dairy-free and dairy flavor, so if you're lactose or vegan, that's fine, we got you. Right, we have a cold stone slab over this side where you can smash toppings into your ice cream or even in your milkshakes to customize your orders more, to make them more of your own appeal, your own tasting, your own liking here. Right, we have billions of toppings to choose from. Right, we have a variety of milkshakes, blizzards, all that and so much more at Candy Craze. We do cotton candies, right? We do birthdays and all that. So we have prepackaged candies behind us here on the shelves, right? And you might tend to be more familiar with these candies, right? Because they're like Sour Patch, Warheads, all that and so much more here at Candy Craze. And before us here is our beautiful color coordinated candy wall of fame. It's priced by the weight and it's $1.60 per ounce. Alright, so basically the procedure would simply include grabbing a candy bag. You can mix and match any candy from the wall of your choice. Right, your bag is weighed on the scale and you then hear your cost. So before you guys could do it on your own and have the time of your lives, but sadly due to the COVID protocols, we are suspended self-serve, so my team members would then have to assist you. Alright, so there's so much more here at Candy Craze. We have our special deals. On Mondays we have our milkshake Mondays. This and every Monday here at Candy Craze, whereas you purchase one, you can have the next one 25% off. Also, we have our waffle cone Wednesdays. This and every Wednesday, you purchase one waffle cone, you can have the next one 15% off, as well as our Cold Stone Thursdays deal. You purchase ice cream in the double scoop cup, that's called the wild cup, the blue cup, alongside a topping, and you can have the next one 25% off. Now new, we have our Sweet Treat Fridays, where kids or anyone, adults that's attending college, you just come here, you present your ID, and you can have any item 10% off. Alright, so that's really it here at Candy Craze. You have our gift cards, we do our DIY kits, so if you're a cookie or a cupcake or a donut lover, you just know where to find us here at Fontana. Alright, we also do quartz, we have everything sweet here, it's very fun, right? Catch a vibe here, we sing for you, we laugh with you, we talk with you, right? And it's just fun here at Candy Craze.
All right. All right, so before we move on, I want to show you guys our Fontana hand sanitizing gel and our rubbing alcohol. It's very new and it's Jamaican branded, so We want you to come out and pick up your sanitizer and alcohol from Fontana Pharmacy. There is no added scent or anything, so you don't have to worry about your sinuses being acting up. You just it is just the sanitizing gel, nothing extra that will cause any issues. So no allergies will be affected by the sanitizer. Alright, so we have here Ipanema and Havana Sands. And we also have Kipling bags available. And we only sell authentic items, so you don't have to worry about getting anything that is counterfeit. We also have here spray ground bags. Alright, so moving from the bag section. Oh wait, there's one more. We have those creative people with their bags, so it's available here at Fontana as well. Cute little bags, and you know we are done with plastic now, so you can come and get your bags from Fontana Pharmacy. We have more serveware available here, and we also have a wide array of items that you can pick up to get engraved. So these are top sellers for birthdays, for weddings, bridal showers, you name it. An engraved item is always a great gift. And remember, it's starting from just $500 plus tax. You can't beat that price. Now for the area that is so well talked about at Fontana Pharmacy, or Artisan department. Now all these items you're seeing here are created in Jamaica by Jamaicans. Come and have a look. We have tons of candles, we have honey, we have face wash, lotions, room sprays, body sprays, chocolate. We have gift boxes, we have glasses, we have bags, we have serveware, we have clocks, we have bath bombs. Listen, we have so many items here made by Jamaicans. When you come in this section, you can be proud of what our country is producing. If you are yourself are an artisan and you would want to have your pieces available at Fontana Pharmacy, you can email us at artisans@fontanapharmacy.com with your information. If we need additional information from you, we will ask you for it. And once you go through the vetting process, once you get through, your items will be here available for pickup. Fontana is also the place to get your books from Jamaican authors, and we have a nice little setup here. Lots and lots of books from Jamaican authors for women, for men, for children, for the entire family. Many stories to uplift you, stories about our Jamaican coffee or mountains, and even some made-up stories. We have lots and lots of books here available. As I told you before as well, Fontana is a place to get your seasonal items. Mother's Day is coming up, and we have many gift sets available here. We have a lot of mugs, a lot of journals. Gift baskets will be available as well. Okay. Fontana is also a place to get all the scents that you need for your home. We have oil burners here available. We have scented candles. We have oils available. Everything. Alright, so we are heading back down. So this was our home department. Tons and tons of items, all available at your fingertips. And just to let you know as well, our items are available at fontanapharmacy.com. I know I have said a mouthful. It's a big store. We have so many items, but you can always check us on our Instagram page. Right? It's Fontana_pharmacy. Everything is there. We recently joined TikTok, so you can look out for us as well. And we are also on Facebook. So if you have any questions, if you want to see what's new in store, we have a lot of giveaways as well. You can just like or follow one of our pages just to keep up to breast as to what is happening at Fontana. Also mention as well that we have 6 locations, 2 in Kingston. So our youngest store is the Fontana location, which is located right across from the Canadian Embassy. Our other Kingston location is in Barbican Square. We have our Ochi location at the 8 Rivers Town Centre. We have our Montego Bay location at the Fairview Shopping Centre. We have our Mandeville location, which is our first location at the Mandeville Shopping Centre. And we have our Sav location at the Barnett Street location. Alright, so that is basically it. There is a whole lot more to discover here at Fontana, so come on in. We get new stock regularly, so you might come in today and see something, tomorrow you see something new. So it's always good to just stop by, have a look, and see what you can find here at Fontana. We also have available delivery services, so if you order from the website, or we are also on the Hugo app, so you can go through Hugo and order what you need and have it delivered to you. So those are many options. You heard that screaming. We have some persons who are a bit timid to ride the escalator. Maybe it's their first time and they're just getting used to the whole process. But the tip I usually give persons is to step within the yellow square. So next time we're going, you can look for the yellow square. So just make sure to hold on and step in the yellow square and you'll be fine. Another great thing about Fontana is that we actually have curbside service. So if you drive through and you don't want to come in store for whatever reason, you can just message us on our WhatsApp. It's on the sign outside, our curbside sign, and we can carry the item out to you along with our card machine, so you can just pay on spot and receive your items. And how could I forget? Each store at Fontana Pharmacy has a rewards gondola. So you see all the items that we have on the rewards for that month. And you'll also see the discounts available. You can just simply sign up for your rewards card. There is no charge for it. You just come in, sign up for it, and you have this available. This section is for your keyring, and this section is for your wallet. And when you shop, swipe your rewards card, you'll get points for shopping, and if you purchase an item on rewards, you'll also get a discount. We have exclusive offers as well for our rewards customers, so you can, once you sign up, you'll get emails on a regular basis with what we have happening in store. Thank you so much for stopping by at Fontana, Waterloo. And thank you for stopping by Jamaica Walk By, and walk good.